In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WooCommerce on WordPress.com, a vital process if you're looking to transform your website into an efficient online store. Let's dive in and follow these simple steps to get WooCommerce up and running. First, you'll want to start by logging into your WordPress account. You'll need to head over to the WordPress.com login page. A quick Google search with the term WordPress.com login should bring you directly to the page you need. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your WordPress.com dashboard. From there, click on the option labeled WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website. This will take you to the main administrative panel for your website. Next, navigate to your local host admin site. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but it's essentially the back end of your WordPress website, where you can manage, edit, and customize your site. You're looking for that classic WordPress dashboard view where all magic happens. Once you're at the dashboard, locate the option for plugins on the sidebar menu. Click on it and you'll be directed to the plugins page. Now click on the Add New button, which will allow you to search for and install new plugins. This brings us to the WooCommerce installation itself. In the search bar, you'll want to type WooCommerce. Immediately, you'll see WooCommerce pop up in the search results. To the right, you'll see an Install Now button. Click on this, and the installation process will begin. It usually takes just a few moments. Once WooCommerce is installed, you will see an option change from Install to Activate. Click Activate to enable WooCommerce on your website. With WooCommerce activated, you're now set up but not quite ready to roll until you configure it. You should see an option to Set Up My Store. Click on it to initiate the setup wizard. This wizard is designed to help you configure essential settings for your online store. You'll be guided through a series of steps that require your input. The first one will be the user profile configuration. Simply click Continue, and you'll move to the next page where you'll provide some basic business information. Again, click Continue once you've entered the relevant details. Finally, you'll be prompted to proceed with the initial setup by clicking Continue once more. After this, WooCommerce will lay the groundwork for your store, setting up essential components and pages that enable you to manage products, payments, and shipping. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce installation on WordPress.com is complete. Now you can start adding products and configuring store settings to suit your business's needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in launching your online store.